Welcome back to my channel. Okay, I've been following your messages in my inbox, and what I've noticed is that I think most of the questions has to do with how to navigate my videos on the channel. Yeah, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to navigate through my videos. Okay, in that sequential order. All right, so that you wouldn't be found wanting if you happen to visit my channel. All right, the channel was created to educate you on how to develop a software using the PHP programming tools, and you get it. So it wouldn't be nice on my side if I find my subscribers, my honest subscribers, who want to tap into my knowledge, not be able to go through the sequence in which the presentation was done. All right. So in this video, I am going to take my time and walk you through my channel. Okay, my channel, so that it will help you and any other person who will visit the channel to have ease access to the videos and how to learn the courses as we went through earlier last year. Okay, subsequently to the next thing that we'll be doing this year, 2022, we'll be tackling PHP basic tutorials and Python tutorials. I think these are the two things that's made headway in the comments section in my inbox. All right, so I'll take my time and walk you through the basic PHP tutorial, because I realized that in the tutorial that we did previously, it was all about developing something. But from your comments, I've gotten to know that some of you are very new to the PHP language itself. So I should take my time and walk you through the PHP programming itself. So don't worry, this year 2022, I'm going to educate you on how to program the PHP from the basics to the advanced level. We started from the advanced level, so I'm not going to start from the basic to the advanced level. All right, talking about functions and classes and all those things. All right, then we also dive into Python programming. So we also do a little bit about Python programming and how to use Python to create something like a BMI calculator and all those things. All right, so I'll walk you through that one too as well. Okay, so not wasting much of your time, just stay put as I join you in the lecture room. All right, so that we start doing the walkthrough of my channel. Okay, all right, have a blessed day. Okay, so welcome back. All right, so to access the YouTube channel, you first launch your Google Chrome or your browser. All right, then you type YouTube. You're going to YouTube, so you type YouTube. Okay, you wait for the browser to respond. All right, then in the list of options that comes, just search for www.youtube.com. So you click on this one. Then after loading, you come to the search bar here. All right, you come to the search bar here, then you enter Purgren, Purgren, Hive, Hive programming. So it's Purgren Hive programming, Purgren. The Hive is Hive and programming. Then you enter. So when you enter, you see the name here. This is the logo, and this is the name. All right, so you click on it. You click on the first one. So these are the sample videos that you have. All right, so you click on the name of the page. So when you come here, you see some of the videos that you have here. Okay, this is a summary. Okay, so you click on the videos, and you see all the videos that has been uploaded onto the channel. Okay, you see all of them here. So now the videos are arranged in a stack form. Okay, like as you arrange plates, the last one appears to the top and the first one appears below. So
this video here that you see, login system using PHP and MySQL, is the last video that was posted here, that was uploaded on the channel. So for you to start, accessing the video from the start, you need to scroll down and start the videos from the bottom. All right, so you start from overview of the channel, then you come to downloading the prerequisites, okay, then installing them, then software engineering, then on and on and on, understanding software analysis, understand system analysis in English, discussing system analysis, and all those things. So you go up. All right, so you start from bottom up. This is the processes that you have to go through to access my videos on the channel. I hope this tutorial is helpful. If you are new to the channel, kindly hit the subscribe button. Okay, kindly hit the subscribe button. All right, thank you.